Where will we go? Who will we be? What will we do? Who will we see? It sure will be fun. That much we know. Go, go, kitties, let's go. Go, kitties, let's go.
Dressed to ill.
What do you want to play today, Kate?
Let's look in the box. Look, Kit, suitcases.
Let's go on an ocean cruise.
And see the wonders of the world.
Sounds like smooth sailing to me.
Go, kitties, let's go!
Kit and Kate jumped out of their magical box and climbed aboard the SS Kitty. They could hardly wait to find out where they were going first.
Welcome aboard, passengers. Our first stop, the Great Minks in the Hotsy-Totsy Desert. Today's weather, sunny and very hot.
Kit, come on! Let's get dressed.
Pretty awesome, huh?
It's gonna be hot, Kit. Don't you want to wear shorts and a t-shirt?
No, that's what everyone wears.
Okay. Smile!
Oh, I'm boiling.
Wasn't that fun?
No.
Attention, passengers. Our next stop, the Eyster Islands. Today's weather, snowy and very cold.
Wow! I can't believe it! Let's get changed. Kit, it's gonna be really cold. Don't you want to wear a coat?
No way. I'll look much cooler like this.
Okay. Cheese!
Freeze!
Wow! What a great picture!
Yeah, great. Achoo!
Our next stop, the Crying Waterfalls of Wettenstein. Today's weather, rain, followed by showers and a downpour.
I know what to wear.
Me too. Achoo!
Are you sure? It's going to be very rainy.
But I want to look nice.
Have you ever seen so much water?
Huh?
Kit, cover your nose, please.
I don't feel so good.
Me neither.
You caught a bad cold, and you've given it to your sister.
Our next stop, Chillyville.
Let's get ready, Kate. Achoo!
You two are not going anywhere. You'll have to stay in bed until the end of the cruise.
The end of the cruise?
Yeah, I'm afraid so.
No!
Not fair.
Then along came a mysterious stranger.
You two look awful. What happened?
Kit got us both sick.
He did? How?
First, he wanted to wear his parka in the desert, and he got totally hot. Then, I told him to wear something warm.
But I looked so much better in my shorts.
And I told him to wear his raincoat to the waterfalls.
But I didn't want to. And I got soaked and sick.
Well, anyone would get sick dressing like that.
Oh, now I understand. If you don't want to get sick, you'll have to wear the right clothes for the weather.
Thanks, Mom.
Hey, how did you know?
I'm sorry, Kate. Let's try again. But this time, I promise I'll dress right.
Now we know, so back we go.
Kit and Kate started their adventure all over again. But this time, Kit picked out clothes that were right for the weather. When it was going to be hot, Kit wore shorts. And when the captain said it was going to be cold, he wore a nice warm coat. And when the forecast called for rain, Kit looked happy as could be in his raincoat.
Attention, passengers. Our next stop, the Rainbow Forest of Chillyville. The weather today is cool and breezy.
Well, sounds like sweater weather to me.
And Kit learned that when you pick the right clothes, you can have a great time no matter what the weather.
Look! Wow! Where will we go? Who will we be? What will we do? Who will we see? It sure will be fun. That much we know. Go, go, kitties, let's go. Go, kitties, let's go.
Quiet time.
What do you want to play today, Kit?
Let's look in the box.
Kit, look! A tuba and a drum!
And marching band hats.
We can be a marching band and play music!
Sounds good to me.
Go, kitties, let's go!
Kit and Kate jumped out of their magical box and marched over to Friendlyville, the friendliest town around.
Where are all the friendly people?
Maybe they're inside.
Look, a library!
I bet someone in there would like to hear our music.
Oh, musicians, I love music. Everyone in Friendlyville does.
Great!
Please, go.
She said they love music.
Not ours, I guess.
Hey, let's try the police station.
Wow, a marching band. I love marching bands.
Yay!
Police station. Someone stole your what? Confetti and beach balls? What? What? Hey, you two, stop. You're gonna have to leave. Now.
He didn't like our music either.
Maybe we didn't play loud enough.
How about the nursery school?
Nap time is so peaceful. Oh, what a surprise. The children are just crazy about music.
Super!
Oh, kids, calm down. Oh, calm down, sweeties. Please.
Let's get out of here.
My ears hurt. Everyone in Friendlyville hates our music.
They should call it Grumpyville if you ask me.
Then along came a mysterious stranger.
What's wrong, kitties?
We want to be in a marching band and play music.
But no one likes it.
Really? How can you tell?
The librarian said she loved music, but when we played, she asked us to leave.
And the policeman said he loves music too. But when we played, he made us stop.
And the little kids are crazy about music, but when we played, they all started crying.
See? They hated our music.
What were the people doing in the library?
Reading,
And the policeman?
Talking on the phone.
And the children?
sleeping.
Well, do you like noises when you're reading, or on the phone, or sleeping?
No.
Hey, maybe they wanted us to stop playing because they needed it to be quiet.
Right. Not because they didn't like our music.
Ah, now I understand. There are some times and places where you shouldn't be noisy.
And others where it's okay. Thanks, Mom.
Hey, how did you know?
Let's try again, Kit. But this time, we'll be sure to ask if it's okay to play. Now we know, so back we go!
Kit and Kate started their marching band adventure all over again. But this time, instead of playing music when they wanted to, they found out when it would be best for everyone. I love music, but the library is a quiet place.
We know.
There's a stage in the center of town that's perfect for it.
Will you come hear us after the library closes?
I'd love to.
Hi, we want to invite you to a concert after work.
On the stage in town.
Count me in. Police station. Someone stole your spaghetti and meatballs? Don't worry, sir. We have them right here, safe and warm.
We're playing music on the town stage.
Bring the kids.
Kit and Kate finally found the perfect spot for a marching band concert. For you see, when you make music in the right place at the right time, it's all right with everyone.